With the wonderful Julie Truster. This is from Dirt Devil. This is what we are calling an opportunity buy, and what that means to you, we bought whatever we could possibly buy. When they are gone, they are gone. This configuration is ridiculous. It's literally a 4-in-1 stick vac. We're going to show you how the different jobs it will do. Quick, simple, easy, and most important, with a tremendous amount of power. But let me talk about the value. You can go to the Dirt Devil website right now. It's $119. Today, we have it, and like I said, we had sold out of our initial quantity. We found a few more, able to bring them back in from $79.95, $49.95. And I'm standing on the opposite side of Julie because this is ridiculous. Look at everything you are getting, including the bag, Julie.
I know, and it's a hand vac right here. It's a hand vac that converts into a floor vac. And all the vacuum companies, they sell a brush like this for $15, $20.
Exactly.
You're getting this with the hand vac. Dirt Devil's known for their hand vac. So if you just bought this for $50,
yeah,
it's totally worth it.
Absolutely.
And this is, by the way, this is a great pet hair lint, dirt, dust, brush right here. All the attachments pop off. You never have to buy a bag or a filter. And I'm gonna show you how it converts. It's very simple. And the entire thing with all the attachments weighs less than 3 pounds.
And 5 FlexPay today. Because I have never ever, right? We've never offered it with 5 FlexPay. It's FlexPay Tuesday. So you have the chance to get, this is ridiculous, $9.99 to get it home. So think about that. How much is 3 year? $9.99.
Oh my goodness.
Plus a 3-year warranty.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so check it out. So, okay, while Bobby was talking, I snapped in the powered extension wand, and it goes to the powered brush right here. So this is great for your hard floor and your carpet. This is exclusive, by the way, to HSN. So check it out with the brush. No scatter.
Wow. I was gonna say, it's not spraying all of the dirt anywhere. And I love, you watch it, it is picking up every single bit, every crumb, so think about the kitchen, think about the floor, whether it's the kids, whether it's your husband, whether it's the pets. But what's amazing about this, and by the way, the cord that comes with that is 26.5 inches in length.
Yes, nice and long.
You're getting the power, because that's the problem with a lot of the stick vacs.
Yes, and exactly, so it's full power all the time. But look at this also, if you need to get underneath the bed to get the dust bunnies, whether it's carpet or hard floor, it lies totally flat. Now, all of your upright vacuums have a bigger nozzle on the front, so you can't get underneath the couch and underneath the coffee table or the bed.
Exactly.
So this is perfect. The whole thing only weighs less than 3 pounds. And then you can go from your hard floor to your carpet, and watch this, it leaves carpet lines. Love it.
Yeah, I love that part about this. And by the way, we would love to hear from you. So if you've been one of the lucky viewers to pick this up, we're gonna pop up the testimonial line at the bottom of the screen. There it is. Tell us why you love it. 1-866-376-8255. This is, like I said, we bought, as an opportunity buy, when you buy whatever there is available. You can even go to their website. It's $119. But today, the first day to get it on 5 FlexPay payments as well. Carpet lines, which are so important. And you know you do not get carpet lines unless you have a vacuum that has power.
Exactly. And a brush roll, too.
And a brush roll, exactly.
Yes, not just straight suction.
And look at it, it's not, again, spraying all the coffee grounds. You know how fine and difficult coffee grounds are. And it basically also has cyclonic filtration with it, right, Julie?
It does. And you know those vacuums that have cyclonic technology? They're $200, $300, $400.
Easily.
And this has a cord, a 26-foot cord, so it's full power the whole time. And it only weighs less than 3 pounds, actually. So, and we're showing you a variety of floors. That was a thicker pile, over to your wood, and then back onto, this is a Berber, a tighter weave, which sometimes your big carpets can ruin the Berber carpet. This is perfect.
Look at it. So maybe it is the pet hair, as we have our retrievers.
Yes.
That
You're
are
gonna be in.
I know it. just can't wait.
He or she?
He, Martin.
He's not shedding
He's
yet,
not
right?
shedding yet, so I'm having...
Boy. Yeah,
I know.
lucky.
Thank you for telling me that. I had my fingers crossed that hopefully that wasn't going to happen.
But wishful thinking, right? Now watch how easy it is to pop off. So all you have to do, there's a little gray button right here. It snaps off like this. This is a powered brush right here. So this will get up pet hair off of your carpet, the dust, the lint, the dirt. And then, this is exciting over here.
This is a cool attachment.
Yes, this is so cool. So this pops on the bottom. Every single attachment has suction. So right here, it's a duster with suction all the way across. This is all suction. And then when it gets dirty, you can pop it off and clean it. Now this is great for your tile, getting up hair, even your wood floors. Obviously there's no scratch. It's nice and soft and it swivels like this.
That is neat. And you know, I don't honestly ever remember offering a vacuum with an attachment like these. These are all those special attachments that you normally have to go to the website to buy.
Oh, exactly. Separately.
Separately, yep. Exactly.
You can go right along
edge
the edge.
Nice.
To edge. And then look at this. What's cool about this is cleaning your baseboards. Usually you have to bend over. Well, watch this. Both of these sides flip up.
Oh,
so
that's neat.
So yeah, it flicks the dust right into the suction, and you don't have to bend over.
And that's washable?
Washable, yes. And it'll get dirty. Pop it off and put it in the wash.
Perfect.
So, and both sides flip up. So you can do both edges of this side flips when it's dirty. You can wash it. And it's not just dusting, there's suction all the way across here. So then all you have to do, pop that off. Now look at this. We're gonna try and do a demonstration for every single attachment.
And all of these pieces, all the attachments come with it, by the way.
Yes, exactly. And this one right here, this is for getting up high. It's got 2 pivoting points right here. So if you wanna get on top of your refrigerator.
Oh, that's cool.
And there's suction here, and then there's suction right over here. So I'm only 5'2". I don't have to get out my little step stool, but if you want to get up high, I mean, how many times have you really gotten up high and on your shelves? But it's dusty up there.
That would be a big never.
Yeah, exactly. So you can go over to these areas, and we're on the HSN shelves. And again, it weighs less than 3 pounds, so it's lightweight, easy to do. And then you pop it off like this. Watch this, and then it converts back into your handheld. With a built-in crevice tool on the back, just this right here.
Well, you would expect, right? I paid more for a Dirt Devil myself, a little hand vac, than what we're paying today for all of the attachments that you're getting with this.
Yes, and again, right here, you never have to buy a bag or a filter. Your crevice tool is right on board. We're gonna do some demonstrations, because it's not just the crevice tool, but this is what I love. For your upholstery, taking it out to the car. It's corded, so it's full power the whole time. We brought in pet hair that looks like my dog. We have dog hair all over.
Captain!
Yes, I'm vacuuming every single day, but this right here, this brush, all the companies sell separately, and this comes with it.
Wow,
there we go.
Speed of that, that's awesome.
And then right here, so I want you to see this. If you blink, you'll miss it.
Isn't that great? You know, actually, Pat, our producer, bought this morning.
Yes, that's right.
Because of the power.
That right there, there's a little window right in front. So it makes it easier to clean those hard-to-reach areas a little bit easier on your elbow.
That's neat.
And your stair riser.
But I'm telling you, I'm noticing power, 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 power.
Yes. Wow. Dirt, okay, your little doggy beds, they get so dirty. Not just hairy, but they also get dirty. This is a great brush, and look at it. It swivels to the left and right, and then your little window goes down like this. So it's easy to clean. And this just weighs a couple pounds.
Lightweight, easy to use, and it's Julie's showing you how quick and easy it is to go from one attachment to the next attachment. And in a moment or two, we're gonna show you everything you're getting with it. But I will say, first of all, thank you. There are hundreds of people that are calling. This has literally been, without a doubt, the most popular buy that we've had in a vacuum in, like, I guess, years. And the fact that it's a brand name, you know, I think that's so important. The fact that you can easily do your comparison shopping. As we mentioned, this configuration is on the Dirt Devil website for $119. I want you to think about that.
Exact same
configuration. So you can buy almost 3 of these, but definitely 2 of these here at HSN with money left over in comparison to what you would pay for the exact configuration on their website. Because check it out, you're getting like literally everything. And then having the 5 flex pay, flex pay Tuesday at only $9.99. And it's a name we know, Julie. That's so important to me, to you as well, right?
Absolutely. And Dirt Devil, you know the red color. Dirt Devil's known for their handbags right here. And in fact, Dirt Devil sells a lot of handbags for more than $50. And a lot of times it's just straight suction with maybe a crevice tool. This right here, this is my favorite because with this brush right here, this is what adds value to it because you can get up the pet hair. You can take it out to the car. And I want to show you again, you can use it on your stairs. In fact, right here, this little window right here that flips down, this is great. We don't have the carpeted stair risers, but this is what it's designed for. We have wood, or the wood right here. The wood. But this right here, that's what it's designed for. Right here, getting it. So it makes it easier
that is so,
to
I
clean.
love that little window. I didn't notice that last time we had this.
Cute little window right there. Now then, this is my favorite brush. So the floor brush that we just used on the floor, you can snap it on here, and this is designed for a standard step. This leaves carpet lines on your carpeted stairs.
Yay!
So I know, yay! So you can go up and down your stairs with your cord. You don't have to unplug your cord because it's long enough. And look at this.
And you can see it's almost like the dirt jumps to it.
Yes! One pass.
One pass. Ooh, yeah. And you notice also like the width of it, just perfect for the stairs. And the fact that it's, oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Oh, good. Look at the underneath.
Right
so there you can see. So it even has, so the brushes are really getting down into the fibers of the carpet, really helping to dislodge any of the dirt or debris that's in there, and then boom, is it pulling it up fast.
Exactly. And I don't know why, but guys like crevice tools.
Really? I didn't know that. Pat, you like a crevice tool?
They do. They really do. And you know, you take it out to the car. I think because they like to detail their car. I don't.
Maybe that's
But my husband will clean my car.
because you know the seat, right?
Yes, you can get in the seat. Or if your kids right here, you lift up your cushion. It's summer. They've been eating on the couch.
Looking for the remote control.
Exactly.
Boom, there it is.
And right here. Now your crevice tool is actually built on. So I know we had a caller, she couldn't find the crevice tool, or she thought that it didn't come with the package. Okay, it's right here. Point. It has its little home right here. So it's actually stored right in the back there. That's on board, which is nice because it's handy. So remember, this converts into your floor brushes. The whole thing with all of the attachments weighs less than 3 pounds. So you don't have to get out your big guy. And if you've got pets, you know that you kind of need to vacuum every day, even though you don't want to.
You know, and the truth is, for most of us, I mean, I'm not using my large vacuum as much as I'm using, you know, the hand vac. But the problem with a lot of the stick vacs out there, problem with a lot of the hand vacs out there, they do not have the power you need. So we have only a little over 5 minutes. Already over 400 have been spoken for. Not only great, not only is it ridiculous value for everything you're getting, how easy everything is to use, but today, to be able to get it on 5 flex pay, maybe you looked at this configuration a while ago, but you didn't make the purchase. Yeah, well, when you can get it home for $9.99. Oh, we didn't even show you that.
Did you see? I know. Yeah. We're going to get to that. So
there's so much.
I'm sorry to interrupt. There's so much. There's still more. Remember, I know it's overwhelming because you're getting so many attachments, but there's a bag. The bag. You can put it all in a bag so you're not going to lose them. And it has, this is what everybody loves, I'm going to have you be the ceiling fan.
Yes, ma'am.
A dedicated ceiling fan tool. It doesn't just dust. There's actually suction on each side. So instead of getting out a ladder, and I know in Florida we have a ceiling fan in every single room, and half the time you end up not even cleaning it, but dust collects right along the side, and then you try and clean it and the blade spins, right?
Right, and then it's all over your house.
It's all over, in your bed, right? It's all over the bed.
Right.
This stabilizes the brush so it doesn't spin. Let's go up a little higher. There we go. So what happens is it's dusting, and then the dust falls into the suction over here, and you don't even have to get on a step ladder.
Oh man, that's neat.
How cool is that? And
that's so cool.
You can, this will get dirty, so you can pop off this and put it in the wash.
And they have thought of everything.
Everything. And they call it the 360 because you can literally clean 360 degrees around your house, on the floor, up above, the dog, the pets, the kids, any surface.
I love it. And everything. I mean, listen, just to stand here with us, everything that you see up here, all of the attachments that I mentioned earlier, 9 times out of 10, you're buying them separately, you're paying extra for all of these cool attachments. And these are not just, you know, when you buy a gift with purchase and you don't really want the gift, these are the attachments you're going to use.
Yes, and this one right here, this is what everyone usually pays separately. Or if you buy a regular full-size vacuum, this adds value to the vacuum and you end up paying more. This comes with it. It pops on.
It's basically like half the price of what you're paying today.
Exactly.
For the whole configuration.
For the whole thing, yep. And so this snaps on, and this right here, okay, for $50, this is a great value for just the hand vac with that powered hand tool. Remember, your crevice tool is right there. It's on board. You never have to buy a bag or a filter. It has a cord. It's a 26-foot cord. I love it for the stairs because it's too hard to get out your big guy for the stairs. But that hand vac, so here's the hand vac, converts. I'll show you again. Here's your extension wand, so it comes with one of these.
And how do we empty it also before we run out of time, too? We want to see that.
One button right there. I'll just put it right on the floor. You just empty it out like that. There's your dirt. That's it.
So you don't have to touch it. You hit the button and boom, out it goes.
Exactly. And this is your powered extension wand, which powers your floor brush right here. Here we go. Let's make a
Throw it out.
There we go. And this leaves carpet lines right here when you turn it on. And this will get up pet hair. It's not just straight suction. It's got the brushes there.
Look
carpet lines.
That is amazing. And by the way, only a few minutes remaining, almost 600 now gone. And and if you've had your eyes on it, you've been thinking about it, I would just say, like, do it today when you can get 5 FlexPay. Listen, and our FlexPay, by the way, if you are new to our family, breaks it down to $9.99. That is on any credit card, debit card, PayPal. There's no interest on FlexPay at all. I mean, you didn't notice $9.99 on my credit card, right?
Right, exactly.
And you're getting a name you know, you're getting the Dirt Devil name, you're getting a configuration that currently, right now, is even on the Dirt Devil website for almost 3 times the amount of money, $119 on their website. You buy 2 of these. Maybe you know someone that's getting married, moving into a new home. What a great gift idea this is. And easy to store because everything comes right in the Dirt Devil bag that comes along with it. You can go from your hardwood floor. You can not only go to a carpet, but you can go to any kind of a carpet.
Right, and then you pop your brushes off, and now it's a handheld.
Exactly.
And that right there, that's the tool for the stair riser, where you kind of click it over. It has a little window, so those hard to reach areas. And that's what the guys like.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
Right.
They like taking it out to the car with that crevice tool on board.
Yeah.
I'm not really a crevice tool person. I like the pet hair tool.
Yes.
But this is how it converts. You pop it off like this. The whole entire thing, oops, I'm stepping on the cord. The whole entire thing weighs less than 3 pounds. Everything snaps into place. Crevice tool, I think I took it out. Crevice tool is on back. And then, yep, there's the crevice tool. And then I have attachments everywhere. Here we go. This is the brush for your stair risers. Right here, it snaps in. It's got the little window, so you can use it like this. And then you can even pop it down so it's not hard on your wrist.
Yeah.
How great is that? Everything. And then the designer bag.
Yes, the design. Ta-da, the designer
bag.
But I like that because, a lot of times you're like, oh, where is that one attachment? And like I said, these are not just attachments that, what am I going to do with them? These are the attachments that you want, the ones that you're going to use. The fact that you have, whether it's the vac that dusts the floor or the one that does the the fan, you can take the microfibers off, you throw them in the washing machine. Easy to care for, $9.99 today because it is FlexPay Tuesday.
Yay.
Thank you so much, Julie.
You're welcome, Bobby.
Are you back later on today?
Later on today at 4 p.m.
All right, later on today, so don't miss it while we